In this video, we'll go over the 10 best strategies for investing in real estate without a lot of money or experience. You will gain some insight into how to begin investing in real estate without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Investing in real estate refers to any property owned solely to generate profit, either through rental income or through market value appreciation. There is no such thing as no money down in real estate because the money has to come from some source. If you want to invest in real estate with little or no money, you need to develop the ability to recognize, understand, and even take advantage of other people's money. You will still need little money for making a down payment when opting for financing real estate through conventional loans. Real estate is an asset form with limited liquidity relative to other investments. Any type of real estate investment requires some amount of capital and is also highly cash flow dependent to call it a profitable investment. Investing in real estate by using others' money is the stamp of authenticity for some of the most successful people in the real estate investing business. Investing in real estate is a great step towards achieving that much desired financial freedom. If you want to start earning a consistent and reliable passive income, you need to start investing in real estate. I know many people struggle with these trite questions: how do I start investing in real estate, or where to get that cash to buy a property? This is the question that haunts many people who want to invest in real estate but have never invested before. Investing in real estate is a tried and tested way of building wealth. Here are some 7 ways to simply get started, so watch till end and try to understand all these topics as they are going to be adding a great value in your financial journey. 1. Purchase money mortgage or seller financing. The first proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through seller financing. When buyers are unable to secure a loan from financial institutions, they may opt to seek real estate financing from the sellers. With conventional real estate transactions, the buyers will provide the sellers with the cash to gain ownership of the property. However, with a purchase money mortgage, the seller extends finances to the buyer. The buyers will then repay the sellers for the agreed terms. 2. Investing in real estate through lease option. The second proven way to invest in real estate with no money is through the lease option. Under the lease option, the property owner charges the buyer a monthly or yearly premium in the form of higher rental payments. The excess rental fee will then be channeled towards the purchase price. With this type of agreement, the investor can purchase an investment real estate using a slightly higher rental fee. 3. Hard money lenders. If you have no money to invest in real estate, you can opt for hard money lending as a viable funding option. Instead of coming from a bank, the funds used in real estate investment will come from groups or private individuals. Since these types of loans do not necessarily need to go through corporate procedures, they tend to have fewer qualification requirements. This, in turn, means that they can be secured fast. Moreover, private lenders might be more than willing to back up risky projects. Therefore, the interest charged on hard money loans is higher since lenders are taking greater risks and the terms are normally 12 months or less. Hard money loans require the borrower to cover closing costs, application fees, appraisal fees, and any other costs associated with the purchase of a property. 4. Microloans. There are a variety of new financing options that have opened up the market for new real estate businesses to profit. As the name suggests, microloans are normally geared towards startups or newer businesses, which require resources to generate further growth. Microloans are much smaller than what traditional financial institutions offer. The lower balances will, in turn, mean these programs are less strict in their qualification requirements, that is, credit score. A microloan is a good funding option to invest in real estate with no money. 5. Forming partnerships to invest in real estate with little money. Real estate partnerships are common for investing in real estate with little or no money. If you want to invest in a property, but the price tag is out of range, then an equity partnership may be what you need. An equity partner is an individual whom you bring into a transaction to help finance a property. There are different ways that partnerships may be structured, and thus it is up to the buyer and the partner to agree on a more viable structure. 6. Home equity loans. If you have no money for your second investment in real estate, you can go for home equity loans. The majority of investors tend to capitalize on the equity of their primary home and then use it to finance the new property. Banks and several other financial institutions offer different products such as home equity line of credit and home equity installment loan, which allows the buyers to capitalize on the equity that they already have. Follow our channel on YouTube to be familiar with all kinds of financial contents. 7. Special U.S. government schemes like USDA loans, with an end goal to fill underpopulated zones of the United States. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's Rural Development Office gives mortgages with down payments as low as 0%. These loans are offered only in towns with populations of 10,000 or less. All things considered, 10,000 is very sizable for most towns, so 97% of the U.S. is secured. USDA loans are zero down payment mortgages for rural and suburban homebuyers. These loans go to those who qualify as having a low or moderate income. They are mainly for borrowers who aren't wealthy and can't get a traditional mortgage. To check whether your area qualifies for this loan, you can visit usda.gov and read their terms and conditions. This much for today. See you soon in next video. Keep learning, keep earning.